Hey babes, it's Susan, and welcome to Comet Vision. Talking to all of you today from Mill Street in Ireland. Thank you to Larras Village Council, for sponsoring this event, however. We're about to see some totally slay entries. But first of all, we have an opening act. We have an AI-generated song, which is Long Lost Connection for winners of the last Cult Visit. Please give a warm welcome to Maeve and Mosey.
A little tired of feeling wide. When will I ever get a connection? A robotic plea across the Irish Sea. A modern day resurrection. Torn apart. Leaving but far. But here we are. It's a long lost connection, finally connected again. A signal interception which led us to losing our pain, our pain. I'm searching the cloud, connection's been found. An emotionless emotion. Finally free from the catastrophe. It's a long lost connection. Torn apart. Near but far. Here we are. It's a long lost connection. Finally connected again. A signal interception which led us to losing our pain, our pain. Telephonic salvation, cycles, long lost connection. Electronic animation, remote, long lost connection. It's a long lost connection, finally connected again. A signal interception which led us to losing our pain. It's a long lost connection, finally connected again. A signal interception which led us to losing our pain, our pain.
I remember it like it was yesterday. As I cleaned out the kitchen, I was looking for a snack, and my eyes glanced over at those little plastic pillow things. They seemed so tempting and so enticing. I was salivating, and so I took a packet and I took a little bite. And I will never be the same. And I will never be the same. And I will never be the same. And I will never be be the same. It seems I've acquired a new obsession. I think I might require an intervention to pull myself away from what I love the most. Cause if I do not stop, soon I'll become a ghost. Little pillows of happiness run down my esophagus. Little pillows of happiness, just how I imagine heaven is. Little pillows of happiness, the taste and texture of a perfect kiss. Little pillows of happiness that melt in the mouth and give me sweet, sweet bliss. They say that if I don't quit, then I will die. But if I do, then I drown in the tears I cry. I guess I'm gone, I guess it's over either way. So I might as well enjoy my last few days. I crack it open and I drink it like a whiskey shot. I feel my brain cells dying, but I've never felt so hot. And as my throat closes up, I'm feeling no regrets. If I'm going out, I wanna go out at its hands. The hands of these little pillows of happiness run down my esophagus. Little pillows of happiness, just how I imagine heaven is. Little pillows of happiness, the taste and texture of a perfect kiss. Little pillows of happiness that melt in the mouth and give me sweet, sweet bliss.
Select your fighter! Goku! Vegeta! Goku Black! Gogeta!
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
My cards right, with you right by my side. But turns out that was a lie. When I saw you kiss her goodbye, all the things I did it all for you. I guess I played my cards wrong. When it comes to love, when it comes to love, you gotta think outside the box. Play your cards right, choose the right fighter. Cause when it comes to love, it's not always a winning game. You gotta think outside the box. You gotta think outside the box. The girls you loved before, but I felt you loved me more. Went to every party, you were all over me. Got me feeling greedy. Little did I know you'd let me go. When it comes to love, you gotta think outside the box. Play your cards right, choose the right fighter. Cause when it comes to love, it's not always a winning game.
From Czechia, Alec is a rapper slowly gaining his way out of his local scene, where he created himself a style of dark modern rap in Czech. Growing up in Belgium, he has experienced the torments of feeling like his actions during his past have tinted his reputation in the small town, and that he'll never become the hero that he's imagined himself. Slowly convincing himself that he can only be that bad guy everyone sees him as. From France, Alexandre is a cynical blonde singer and rapper, currently living in Saint-Denis, near Paris, but in a social status drastically different from the Parisian ideal. Suffering this wide political difference, he is the representative of a culture and of a life that a wide part of the population cannot accept, finding struggle in many places of his life, including financially, growing up with a single mother, being a victim of racism, which has made his motivation to find a new life become smaller and smaller with time. Together, Alexandre and Alec share the common trait of having lost control of their life, of only being a shadow of themselves, and feeling like they're stuck in all the negative sides of their mind. After meeting online, both Czech and French delegations have agreed to send this duet with their dark rap and melodic song Inertie, sung in French and Czech, about both their stories. Co-present, let's take the chance.
Vidím se v ráji, ale postrádám nadhled. Nepatřím tam a moc dobře to vím. Možná kdybych byl jenom o něco lepší, měl bych radost z toho, že být smím. Moje duše je temná a moje tělo činí zlo.
De la crise, le gâchis. Oui, je sais même pas, c'est m'éclipse, même futur aussi. Apprendre à la retenir. L'inertie.
Vidím se v ráji, ale zase jsem v pekle. Po tom všem už se ani nedivím. Pustila se do mě hromada hajzlů, tak jsem se zvednul a šel proti nim sám. Moje duše je temná a moje tělo jde ničit.
Dans le déni, je suis la source de la crise, l'incendie. Oui, je sais mon passé m'éclipse, même le futur ne brille. Apprendre à la retenir.
Oi, hey, Phoenix, we know who you are. You're that guy who copies my pen bit. Can't even beat my best, you're so big-headed, small-minded. Can't even buy yourself some bitches, getting sweaty over roller coasters. Your forehead's that fucking massive. It can land an easy jet on easy as shit. Playing door-to-door with your sports. Spotty prick, get in your bike, stop getting sweaty over feet pics. Phoenix, you're not rising, you're just flopping. Wind your neck in, your Midlands tosser. Broken specs, broken teeth. Tell your teeth it's not 2020, stop social distancing. Hospital said buy one, get one free. So your mum got Travis and you bought on clearance, see? Although your mum says she loves you and stuff, she's doing charity, cause we both know it's a bluff. Fuck you on about Alpha Wolf. Are you the kid who would always bark in school? Got your tail between your legs and you can't even spell Nick. Go back to class, you're sweating about the wrong alphabet. Phoenix, Eugene, not even bummer. Can't tell you who that is, yet I hardly know her. I think he was before as head of committee. Your relevance is dried up and they bow down to me. Can I even lie? They're just a slag. Your bitches staying poor whilst I get the bag. So you keep sweating over your sheep brethren, but you can get a man, so you settle for a hag. Hey, it's Big Booty Betty, babe. Watch your mouth as I put you in your place. Why don't you get the fuck out my face? Bitchy stinking breath ass bitch. Puss.
I zdažavam sebe, ne trebam tvoju pomoć. Radim po svom, neću nikome podložnost. Da znam da je moja roze kosa baš šajna, ali to je jer živim za Svetlane tajna.
Galima sakiti kad mane hersina, harva sakiti care su dramatiška. Kaj vuše mahašaci nešu savo mena, šija utrajaci nešu savo hiluma.
Isn't it such an amazing thing to be able to talk, able to sing, to speak your mind, but something's missing. Let's turn it up for the world to listen.
The universe has given us a voice, and because of that we wanna hear you make some noise.
So shout it out for the song.
Shout it out for the song.
If you can,
Then sing along. No, two voices sound exactly the same. If your pitch isn't perfect, there ain't no shame. Shout it from the rooftops, let it resonate. We're gonna sing it loud and celebrate. Shout it out, turn around, cause you know you got a voice, and instead to make some noise, I believe that in a world nobody's mean can speak, will be free for the will listen for me, spread the word now. Shout it out loud, cause we're not going off, we're putting on a show on the park, Instagram, or wherever that you are, never down, never out, still kicking it around. You've got a voice, show it. Let's have some fun, got it. Be what you wanna be, turn the silence off cause we have a cause what? I've become all ears, cause I wanna hear what's inside of you, something beautiful that you can't obscure. Păi te vei ore, visas calvo se me ye, ne robota, sara galasa, she suasha, she sumena.
Żona je vreme da slabije, tišina i dosada nema me. pogreši mi nešto loše kažem, ali čak i kroz te teške dane drago mi je da znam da imam ljude koji su srećni da čuju moj glas, slušaju me, razumeju moj priče, čine da se ne bojim biti glasna i bićem.
The universe has given us a voice, and because of that we wanna hear you make some noise.
So shout it out for the song.
Shout it out for the song.
If you can,
Then sing along. No, two voices sound exactly the same. If your pitch isn't perfect, there ain't no shame. Shout it from the rooftops, let it resonate. We're gonna sing it loud and celebrate. Hey, shout it out. Yes, you know how it's done.
Shout it out. How?
This was so good.
Yes.
Wait for the blood red sunrise, crimson sparks in your eyes. Grab my hand, hold on tight. Guide me into the darkest night. Hazy as sapphire skies. In the infinite ocean the truth lies. Waltz with the winds and the summer breeze. Blinding lights rising high, round and round and round and round. Circling, cycling, coursing, energy. Feel it burning up on fire. An effigy, the smoke that rises, blankets the sky. Now is the time for the rain of the night. Like a phoenix from the ashes, a moth to a flame. Forever in this cycle, forever the same. Burn away the skin that binds you, blood brothers born of earth and fire. Free yourself from the eternal cycle. Die Sommer, Sonnenwende, let me soon ses lucrece. The summer sun is turning. In the smoke is a twisted faces, a tapestry of people and places, trying to face the dark before it's gone. The sun that burns away the dark spot. Your lifetime is limited, tries you might to inhibit it. Handcrafted from the heavens made for you, the war before you fades into the new. Zamknuty uspawankę I pragnienia, obećania, nika nije vreme za oklevanja. Predomisliti I zanemarite ometanja, u mraku samo jedno osjećanje. Circling, cycling, coursing, energy, feel it burning up on fire. An effigy, smoke that arises, blankets the sky. Now is the time for the rain of the night. Like a phoenix from the ashes, a moth to a flame. Forever in this cycle, forever the same. Burn away
the skin that binds you, blood brothers, born of earth and fire. Free yourself from the eternal cycle. Die Sonne Sonnenwende, let ne sunce se ukreće. The summer sun is turning. Blumen, die blühen, werden immer verwelken. Feuer, die brennen, würden immer erlöschen. Kinder, die lachen, würden immer aufhören. Steinen, die leuchten, würden immer dunkel. Život posle smrti usamljena supina. Dakle dovedito sve do dubina. Svrčaka kože prolivene na putu za raj. Like a phoenix from the ashes, a moth to a flame. Forever in this cycle, forever the same. Burn away the skin that binds you, blood brothers, born of earth and fire. Free yourself from the eternal cycle. Die Sonne Sonnenwende, let ne sunce se ukreće. The summer sun is turning.
You all know fish. Like the vertebrate animals found in the fresh and salt waters of the world, there are so much variety in fish. Fish can be big, fish can be small, fish can be as colorful as everyone's life, and fish can be as colorful as your life. And we are here to talk about the last mentioned. We find ourselves in the North Sea. It's not the only thing combining Norway and Cymru together. We also have the HMS Nauru ship connecting these two countries, and no, we are not talking about the island in the Pacific Ocean. It's a combination between Norway and Cymru, and this is exactly what we find here. We are here to talk with Sven Hansen, one of the workers here.
Hello. I am Sven Hansen. I like fish and I like to spit bars. So I thought about combining both.
What is your favorite fish?
I like all fishes. I don't discriminate. With that said, salmon.
Can you spit a bar for the audience watching?
No, I'm too shy.
Alright. I guess we can't force you. So let's get back to the usual questions. What do you usually do every day?
Well, I fish. I do stuff with the fish. Just your usual fishing stuff. You know? We are here on the ship. But once we open the door to the sleeping areas, it gets lit.
Coming in with catch hook, stick and bait it. Your fair maiden's on the boat, she's a native. Great God, great cod, I curated. Double discs in the booth while I slated. Fresh brine, fresh fish, I fillet it. Fish are fresh upstream, watch me float it. For your favourite flippin' fuck, ass kind of feathering. Desperate for a fragment of my favourite, think you're tethering. Fish float to my rod, it's a marine fountain. Eat a credit card, put money where your mouth is. Funky beats get the whole crowd bouncing. I see through disguise, ultrasound it. You're on a slope and it's getting slippy. I export all my goods to Namibia. Worry on the fish in my stream, getting twitchier. I'm ahead of these schools like a principal. These beats tracked over sailors like a siren. And I lose a factory in the hiring. You're the kind of city man that they're admiring. I'm the Big Dipper. I'm the Orion, watch me run all of these seas like Poseidon, cutting up all your words, I'm a hyphen. Do you need some support, need some guidance? Show you my booty and your eyes start to widen. We'll catch hook, stick and bait it. Your fair maiden's on the boat, she's a native. Great God, great cod, I curated. Double discs in the booth while I slate it. Fresh fried, fresh fish, I fillet it. Fish are fresh upstream, watch me float it. For your favourite flipping fuck, ass kind of feathering. Desperate for a fragment of my favourite thick you're tethering. We'll catch hook, stick and bait it. Your fair maiden's on the boat, she's a native. Great God, great cod, I curated. Double discs in the booth while I slate it. Fresh fried, fresh fish, I fillet it. Fish are fresh upstream, watch me float it. For your favourite flipping fuck, ass kind of feathering. Desperate for a fragment of my favourite thick you're tethering. Big man, big plans, big hands on the boat. More fishes, more dishes, more wishes don't choke. Holy mackerel, hit his beat, I'm the goat. We staying upstream when my family hit a float. Tune a piano, you can't tune a fish. Splish splash while I'm swimming in the river with your bitch. Pop off gill, let me know when you can spit. You get a little crabby when you see the ice on my wrist. Coming in with catchy hooks that can bait it. Your fair maiden's on the boat, she's a native. Great God, great cod, I curated. Double disc in the booth while I slate it. Fresh rice, fresh fish, I fillet. Fishing fresh upstream, watch me float it. Thought your favourite flippant folk, ass kind of feathering. Desperate for a fragment of my fame, I think you're tethering. I can't be coy, my money is scary. Words hurt bad like you got spun with a dictionary. Stack so big it makes the boat heavy. Put a needle down when the crowd's going crazy. I'm running out of lyrics cause I wrote about too little. I'm freestyling now and I'm starting to spit it. One fish in each hand like I'm handling a pistol. Get a little hungry and I might take a nibble. Jesus Christ. Oh, well, wasn't that just lovely, wasn't it? So, the voting form should be out if Phoenix has done his fucking job. So make sure to vote. You have like 24 hours to vote. If you're watching this after, don't you even fucking think about voting. You hear me? You hear me, Gretchen? Don't you dare think about voting. Because it's closed. The form's closed and you'll have nothing left in life, won't you? So think about that, won't you? Now thank you for watching. Have a great day.